Okay, very good morning children. Today we'll learn sums based on circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, where some situations will be given to you. You have to frame proper correct equation for that particular curve. Once you get the proper equation of that curve, it will be easy for you to differentiate and get the differential equation. The foremost important thing here is the equation framed should be correct. For that, you need to revise the equations of circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, lines. Okay. Let us start one by one with different types of sums. First one, form a differential equation of family of circles. I am talking about family of circles having centers on the line y equal to 10. I am talking about all those circles whose center is lying on the line y equal to 10 and touching x-axis. Also the circle is touching x-axis. Let us draw the figure and see how the figure will be. Since the circle is touching x-axis, the circles can be like this. Am I right? There can be infinite circles like that. Yes? Yes. Now, since the circle is touching x-axis, since it's touching x-axis, I can say that my radius of the circle is nothing but y coordinate of center, correct? I can say my radius will be y coordinate of center. Now, since the center is lying on y equal to 10, center is lying on y equal to 10, so I'll draw a line. The center is lying on the line y equals 10. इसका मतलब इसका y coordinate कितना आएगा? 10. I know the y coordinate is 10. Therefore, I can say radius भी कितना आएगा? 10. कितना आएगा radius? 10. Now we observe for every circle, the x coordinate of center will change. The x coordinate of center will change. Let us take that value as a variable a. Let us take that value as arbitrary constant a. Now I know the center coordinates. I know the radius. I can find the equation of circle. Therefore, equation of circle आएगा x minus h the whole square y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. R is 10, so r square कितना आएगा? 100. Correct? Now there are two ways. Either open it or कितने constants है? One constant, one arbitrary constant. So I'll differentiate only one time. So if I differentiate with respect to x, what will I get? 2 times x minus a, 2 times y minus 10 dy by dx equals 0. Correct? Therefore, I can say x minus a is nothing but minus times y minus 10 dy by dx. हमें a की बार differentiate करना था. I want to get rid of this arbitrary constant from my this equation. तो मैं क्या करूँगा? I'll replace x minus a in the given equation by this value. I'll replace x minus a from the equation number 1 with the given value. So I get x minus a कितना आएगा? Minus of dy by dx the whole square plus y minus 10 the whole square is equal to 100. So it becomes y minus 10 the whole square. I'll take common also. 1 plus dy by dx the whole square is equal to 100. So y minus 10 नीचे चला जाएगा. Just a minute. Yeah, it's correct. So it will become 1 plus dy by dx the whole square is equal to 100 upon y minus 10 the whole square. Either keep the answer as it is or take 1 on right side. So मेरा differential equation क्या आएगा? dy by dx the whole square 100 minus this square upon y minus 10 square. This will be my differential equation. ठीक है? Is it clear? Yes? Okay. Now let's move on to next question. Okay. Next sum. Form a differential equation of family of circles again touching x-axis at origin. Only one condition. It is touching x-axis at origin. So we draw the diagram. The circles are touching x-axis at origin. तो circle यहाँ touch हो रहा है. The circle will be like this, correct? Then the circle can be like this also. Circle नीचे भी हो सकता है. They are said touching at x-axis मतलब the point of contact is nothing but x-axis, that too at origin. Means all circles का tangent का point of contact क्या है? 0,0. Since it is touching x-axis, इन circles का center का x coordinate will be 0. Center का x coordinate will be 0. Let us say y coordinate is a variable a. Let us say y coordinate का variable is a. So again, since touching x-axis, my radius will be y coordinate. Radius क्या है मेरा? a. So radius is a. Therefore, equation will be x minus 0 the whole square, y minus a the whole square equals a square. That is x square divided like this, y square 2ay plus a square equal to a square. Correct? ये और ये cut, that is x square plus y square equals 2ay. To make it easy, I'll divide by y. So x square plus y square by y is equal to 2a. Now if I differentiate this, by default मेरे आंसर में a नहीं आएगा. So if I differentiate, क्या मिलेगा? y times x square का 2x, y square का 2y dy by dx minus x square plus y square y का dy by dx. I am applying u by v rule, so y square equal to 0. Correct? So y square goes on right side. इसका मिलेगा 2xy 2y square dy by dx x square dy by dx y square dy by dx equals 0. Correct? So इसमें से I'll get y square. So y square और ये minus x square. I'll take dy by dx common. This will go on right side, becomes minus 2xy. Therefore, my differential equation becomes minus 2xy upon y square minus x square. I'll balance that minus sign. So dy by dx becomes 2xy upon x square minus y square. Understood? Yes? Clear? Okay, next sum, children. Form a differential equation of all lines parallel to the given line. I know that if lines are parallel, the x coefficient of x and coefficient of y remains same, only the constant will change. So lines parallel to 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 can be 3x plus 2y plus c equal to 0 or lambda equal to 0. Only constant will change. So here ready-made equation मुझे मिल गया है. I will differentiate 3. X का derivative will be 1, y का derivative dy by dx, c का derivative 0. एक ही constant है, so I differentiate only one time. तो क्या आएगा? 2 dy by dx is equal to -3. Therefore dy by dx is equal to -3/2. This will be my differential equation. Understood? Clear? Just this is the trick. If you get this, you get the answer. ये नहीं मिला, then there will be a problem. Okay? Now let us go for fourth one. Form a differential equation of all parabolas having vertex at origin. Vertex कहाँ पर है? Origin. Since vertex is at origin, it is talking about standard parabola and axis along y-axis. Now here it is not x-axis, axis along y-axis plus vertex at origin. Since vertex at origin है x का और y कोऑर्डिनेट का सेंटर कोऑर्डिनेट 0 0 आएगा. एक्सिस y एक्सिस बोला है, so it should be x minus 0 the whole square 4b y minus 0. I have written general equation of parabola. Since vertex origin पे है, so these two are coming as 0, and since it is y axis, I have written x square equal to 4by. Therefore equation will be x square equals 4by. Again how many constants? 1. कितने constant है? 1. So again I differentiate one time. I'll make it easy. So x square upon y is equal to 4b. क्या करूंगा? x square upon y is equal to 4b. अब इसे डिफरेंशिएट किया तो y x square का 2x minus x square y का dy by dx upon y square equal to 0. करेक्ट? अब ये यहां पर जाएगा तो 0 हो जाएगा. So I will get 2xy minus x square dy by dx equals 0. That is 2xy is equal to x square dy by dx, है ना? ये x और x कट. Therefore मेरा डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन क्या आएगा? dy by dx is equal to 2y by x. क्या आएगा? 2y by x. Okay? Clear? Let's move on to fifth one. Form differential equation of all parabolas where axis is y-axis. सिर्फ बोला है कि y-axis axis है. They have not mentioned anything about the vertex. They have not mentioned anything about the vertex. But axis y-axis है तो vertex हमेशा क्या आएगा? 0, something. मतलब x कोऑर्डिनेट क्या आएगा? 0. Vertex का x कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा? 0. So equation will be x minus 0 the whole square 4b y minus a. X square equal to 4b y लिखा है because y axis. Since they have not mentioned about vertex but they have said axis y axis है तो definitely vertex का x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 होगा, y कोऑर्डिनेट a होगा. कितने आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट्स हैं यहाँ पर? 2. एक कांस्टेंट है b, दूसरा है a. Since there are 2 arbitrary constants, we need to differentiate it twice. So let us see x square 4by minus 4ab. Correct? कितनी बार डिफरेंशिएट करना है? 2 बार. Let us do first time now. क्या आएगा? 2x. ये हो जाएगा 4b dy by dx. Correct? To make it easy, मैं shuffling of terms करूंगा. That is 1 upon 2b equal to 1 upon x dy by dx. 1 upon x dy by dx. ठीक है? अब मैं क्या करूंगा? डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा तो लेफ्ट साइड 0 हो गया. Here I will apply UV rule. So 1 upon x dy by dx का डेरिवेटिव d2y by dx स्क्वायर प्लस 1 upon x का माइनस 1 upon x स्क्वायर dy by dx. करेक्ट? यस. अब मैं क्या करता हूं? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और शफल करेंगे टर्म्स को, तो देखो I'll get 1 upon x d2y by dx square minus 1 upon x square dy by dx equals 0. करेक्ट। एलसीएम निकालेंगे तो इधर आएगा x d2y by dx square minus dy by dx equal to 0. This will be my differential equation of that fifth question, that is differential equation of all parabolas. Since all word hai, we are taking some arbitrary constants. Okay, getting it? Let's say there is no mistake. 4by minus 4b. Yeah, perfect. Understood? Clear? Okay. Next sum. Form the differential equation of family of lines whose length of normal from origin is p and inclination with normal is alpha. If you remember, the equation of such line is nothing but equation of line क्या आएगा, एंगल कितना है, so x cos alpha y sin alpha is equal to p. कितने कांस्टेंट्स है, दो कांस्टेंट्स है, तो डेरिवेटिव कितने बार लगाएंगे, दो बार. Let us make it easy now. So x cos alpha by p plus y sin alpha by p is equal to 1. X cos alpha by p plus y sin alpha by p is equal to 1. To make it easy, I will say let cos alpha upon p be a and sin alpha upon p be b. Correct? Therefore equation क्या हो जाएगा, ax plus by is equal to 1. क्या हो जाएगा, ax plus by is equal to 1. दो बार डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे कि दो कांस्टेंट्स है मेरे पास, so a plus b dy by dx is equal to 0. करेक्ट? अगेन डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, b d2y by dx square is equal to 0. That is d2y by dx square कितना आ रहा है, 0. This is the differential equation. क्या आएगा, d2y by dx square is equal to 0. Understood? Now seventh one. Form differential equation of all ellipses having major axis as twice minor axis. So they have given that major axis कितना होता है, 2a is twice minor axis. Major axis is twice minor axis, that is given. So 2 cut. In short, a is given as 2b. Correct? Therefore मेरा equation of ellipse, my equation of ellipse in general क्या होता है, x square upon a square y square upon b square is equal to 1. ठीक है? So what will you get, x square upon 4b square y square upon b square is equal to 1. Correct? So in short क्या हो जाएगा, x square upon 4 plus y square is equal to b square, है ना, that is x square plus 4y square is equal to 4b square. Correct? Yes? Okay. So how many constants are there, children, now here? One constant. Final equation में कितने constant है, 1. So I differentiate only one time. तो क्या आएगा आंसर, 2x plus 8y dy by dx equals 0. That is x plus 4y dy by dx is equal to 0. Understood? This was the differential equation of all ellipse. ठीक है? Now eighth one, differential equation of all circles having radius 9 and center hk. Very simple. 8th वन क्या आएगा x माइनस एच द होल स्क्वायर y माइनस के द होल स्क्वायर ये रेस्ट 9 सो कितना आएगा 81 करेक्ट center radius form you remember so now differentiate how many times 2 times differentiate करेंगे कितनी बार 2 times so 2x minus h 2 times y minus k dy by dx equals 0 correct that is क्या आएगा x minus h plus y minus k dy by dx is equal to 0 correct am I right let us differentiate again देखते हैं x का डेरिवेटिव 1 h का 0 यह आएगा y माइनस k d2y by dx स्क्वायर प्लस ये dy by dx as it is again y का dy by dx somewhat like this I'll get that is 1 plus y minus k d2y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole square equal to 0 अभी भी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन नहीं मिला है because still there is y minus k in my equation तो मुझे y minus k भी गायब करना है x minus h भी गायब करना है how you can do that yes think over it till that time I'll erase the board so I hope you might have got the answer I'll give a try for you so see मुझे x minus h और y minus k गायब करना है so I'm assuming or sorry I'm using this equation not assuming I'll use this equation from here I can write this equation as x minus h is equal to minus y minus k dy by dx correct now I'll do squaring on both sides at least x minus h गायब हो जाएगा x minus h the whole square y minus k the whole square dy by dx the whole square remember the good thing about differential equation is कुछ भी वैल्यू आती है क्वेश्चन में डाल दो किसमें डालेंगे क्वेश्चन में so I'll put the value of x minus h the whole square in my given question so therefore it will become y minus k the whole square dy by dx the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equals 81 correct क्या कॉमन निकलेगा यहां से y minus k the whole square at least ये करने से x minus h तो गायब हो गया now I just have to deal with y minus k correct y minus k के लिए I will use this equation है ना तो मेरा y minus k क्या आएगा देखो 1 plus dy by dx the whole square ये टर्म साथ में लिखा is equal to minus y minus k d2y by dx square ठीक है मुझे y minus k the whole square की वैल्यू चाहिए so from here मेरा y minus k कितना आएगा minus 1 plus dy by dx the whole square upon d2y by dx square मिल गया मुझे y minus k का वैल्यू I'll substitute here so see what I'm doing I'm substituting y minus k का वैल्यू कितना है वो उसका स्क्वायर चाहिए तो उस पूरे को स्क्वायर किया तो 1 plus dy by dx the whole square upon d2y by dx square the whole का स्क्वायर आएगा this will remain as it is है ना is equal to 81 अब देखो ये 2 टाइम्स हो गया ये 1 टाइम हो गया तो कितना आंसर आएगा क्यूब करेक्ट और इसको स्क्वायर करके हम राइट साइड में लेके जा सकते हैं फाइनली आई गॉट 1 plus dy by dx the whole square का भी क्यूब क्योंकि ये स्क्वायर और ये 1 टाइम इज इक्वल टू 81 d2y by dx square understood now few sums from miscellaneous problem set you can try on your own because you should know how to frame these equation for that revising circle parabola ellipse is mandatory Okay, thank you.